Namaste traders. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing the complete Monday pre-market analysis for Nifty based on fresh support and resistance levels. These levels will guide us in identifying intraday trend direction, breakout vs reversal zones, high probability trading areas. So sit tight, like the video, and let's decode what Nifty is planning for Monday. Key reference point. Let's start with the most important detail. Nifty Friday close around 26,037. This will act as our decision zone for Monday. Price is currently sitting between immediate resistance, R1 equals 26,105. Immediate support, S1 equals 25,947. This means Monday's opening movement around these two zones will set the tone for the day. Resistance zones. Now let's break down the resistance zones one by one. R1, 26,105, first hurdle. If Nifty opens above this level or crosses it with strength, expect bullish continuation towards R2:26 163. This is where selling pressure is likely to appear. R3, 26,221, a crucial pivot for intraday trend shift. R4, 26,279. Only strong global support will push Nifty here. R5, 26,337. High intraday volatility possible at this level. R6, 26,395, highest bull target. If Nifty reaches here on Monday, expect profit booking or reversal. Support zones. Now let's look at downside supports. S1, 25,947, immediate intraday support. A gap down below this can open weakness. S2, 25,852. If this breaks, bears gain control. S3, 25,762. Highly reactive zone, expect bounce attempts. S4, 25,704. Break below this equals strong bearish trend. S5, 25,646. A major target for sellers. S6, 25,588, final support. If this breaks, markets may turn into trending bearish day. Monday opening scenarios. Let's explore what can happen based on the opening. Flat opening near 26,037. Expect range-bound price between R1 and S1. Best strategy, wait for breakout or breakdown. Gap up opening above 26,105, R1, a positive start. Targets, R2, R3, R4, but watch global cues for confirmation. Gap down below 25,947, S1. This can create early selling pressure. Targets, S2, S3, S4. Avoid buying unless you see a strong reversal candle. Sideways market between R1 and S1. Scalp trading only. Breakout equals strong directional move. Trading plan for Monday. Here is a clean and simple plan. Buy above 26,105 targets. 26,163 बटा 26,221, 26,279. Sell below 25,947 targets. 25,852 बटा 25,762, 25,704. Avoid trading. If price stays between 26,037, 26,105 without volume. Follow these rules. Trade only after the 15-minute candle close. Avoid emotional trades. Use strict stop loss. Don't chase gap up, gap down openings. Final conclusion. So to summarize. Immediate levels for Monday. 26,105, R1, or 25,947, S1. Above R1 equals bullish move. Below S1 equals bearish move. Between them equals range market. These levels will guide your intraday trades. If you found this analysis useful, hit like, subscribe, and comment your view for Monday's market.